अब एक स्वतः सवाल उठता है कि क्या अडानी महाघोटाले की जांच इसलिए नहीं हो रही थी क्योंकि जिसको जांच करनी थी इस रिपोर्ट के अनुसार, इस रिपोर्ट के मुताबिक वो कहीं ना कहीं उसमें संलग्न थी। उच्चतम न्यायालय बार बार निवेश की जानकारी मांगता था, सेबी बार बार इधर उधर बगले झांकता था। सेबी ने तो यह तक कह दिया था वी हैव ड्रॉन अ ब्लैंक, हमें कुछ मिल ही नहीं रहा है। ये मिनिमम लेवल पर, एट द एब्सोल्यूट मिनिमम लेवल, ये पारदर्शिता के तार तार करता है। एंड एट द एब्सोल्यूट मैक्सिमम लेवल ये संभवतः सबसे बड़ी क्रिमिनल कंस्पिरेसी है। एक महाघोटाले की जांच करने वाले संलग्न, और खैर उनकी नियुक्ति करने वालों की अभी हम बात करते हैं। एक बात और साफ है कि इस पूरे खुलासे ने सेबी चीफ, इस देश की सरकार और इस देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी की इंटेग्रिटी को तार तार करके रख दिया है। उनकी कोई इंटेग्रिटी नहीं बची है। उनकी साख, उनकी प्रतिष्ठा, उनकी कर्तव्यनिष्ठा पर जबरदस्त सवाल है। वो कटघरे।
Hindenburg report seems to be like a well-planned, well-orchestrated hit job on the basis of a report which is filled with contradictions, falsehoods, by a discredited organization like Hindenburg, whose only job is to do short selling, create panic and then profiteer out of it. It is already under investigations in India for this. It is also facing investigations in America for this. But even then, the likes of Mr. Rahul Gandhi and his ecosystem ignore what the Supreme Court has said about the first Hindenburg report. The fact that the Supreme Court thrashed that report, it thrashed the PILs relating to that report, that it upheld the SEBI probe and said that the SEBI probe inspires confidence. All of this is put aside by Rahul Gandhi. Does Rahul Gandhi want to imply then that the Supreme Court is also hand in glove? Is Rahul Gandhi raising questions on the integrity of the Supreme Court? The question is that why is this being done? It seems that for the sake of opposing one person or one party, Rahul Gandhi and his entire ecosystem have no qualms in damaging and destabilizing the entire Indian economy and financial systems. And therefore we see time and again that whenever parliament session is close by, a foreign report is manufactured, usually based on falsehoods, and is lapped up by Congress and its ecosystem. Whether it's the Pegasus report, whether it is the Hindenburg 1 report, whether it is the report on Rafale, whether it is the BBC documentary. What is this relationship that Rahul Gandhi has with these foreign reports and their makers? Rahul Gandhi is the same person who peddled lies about LIC, HAL, SBI, that all of them would be totally damaged and destroyed. Today, SBI, LIC and HAL all are thriving. It seems that Rahul Gandhi's agenda is only and only to create panic and instability so that a Bangladesh-type situation can be orchestrated in India.